Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Now in this tutorial I'm going to show us how to create a service feed using the body piercing service we just created in the last video. Now what this means is, okay, you say you do body piercing, show me what you've done. Right now you are not going to be waiting for the customer to ask you that. You are proactively show out what you've done, just like it's done you do in Facebook and Instagram and TikTok, right? So this is exactly what we're going to do here, and I'm sure you have already done all of that before. You have the content in your phone, you have it in your video, you have the photos and the rest, right? So you can replicate the same here. Now you can upload images or videos. For images, no more than 5 meg. For videos, no more than 100 meg, right? Okay, so to do that, we'll scroll down again to quick actions, and then you see add to feed. Add to feed. Now, like I said, you can use photo post or before and after. Before, of course, you understand what I mean by before and after. That is before you did and after you did. You can upload a video, you can upload products. Now this product are not the product that you're going to sell directly. You're only showing what you have, but for actual product that you want to sell, it's important to use the product module where you upload the product itself, you add the prices, and then you get set for selling whenever somebody calls up for it. Okay, so we're going to use photo feed, which I already selected. Then I come here, I upload my photo, right? So I'm going to use forgive me, I'm doing this from my laptop, so you see tons of videos I'm going to use for this demonstration, right? Now you can, for photos, you can upload as many as 8 per time. Now the system will choose the first as your cover, but right now I'm just uploading one, right? So this is ear piercing, right and left ears together, right? I really don't have details here to add. Okay, no, sorry, I have, because I have to add the title there, which is ear piercing. Okay, that's it. Then how much did you charge for this, or whatever charge you and your customers agreed for this. That is the last customer you did this for. What was your charge, right? You can say 50. Oh no, 50 rather. 50, because as you can see, it's not just one hole, not 2 holes, or rather 2 piercings there. There are multiple. So you might say, okay, for 2 you can charge the $24, $35, but once it's more than that, the number depends on how much you're going to charge, right? So again, it's under body piercing service, and that's it. I'm done, right? So what are the steps? Choose the post type, upload your video, add your caption, add your cost, select the link to the service, and that's it. Just 5 steps and you're good to go, right? So that's it. It's been added here. All right, it's been added here automatically. Okay, it's been added here. So as you can see, it's very, very easy, very, very easy to do, right? Very, very easy to do. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video, where I'll create a video on how a customer can book for this ear piercing service. Remember, this one you just show the customer that you offer this service. The next time is the customer will now book for this service. The booking is not shown here because here I'm at the back end, right? Back end means this is the vendor end. Now I'll load another page where you have the visitors end, right, which is the front end. Okay, thank you, and see you in the next video.